Hello everyone, good morning. How are you? Hope you all are very fine. Okay, so ready for EVS learning? Yes, this time we will do the exercise of chapter 9, uses of plant. Right, and I am hoping that you all nice wonderful students of class 2nd, you all are ready with your notebook, right? So shall I begin? Yes, you all are ready. Yes, okay, so let's start with new words of the chapter 9. All right, so here you will write the new words. Okay, this is your heading, new words, and I am writing serial wise, and you will note down in your notebook, in your EVS notebook along with me. Okay, so number 1, pledge. Number 2, survive. Number 3, surrounding. Number 4, rich source. Number 5, cereals. Here I am not talking about the television serials, that is the serials in Hindi Dharavahik, daily soaps. Cereal means grains, right? Number 6, spice. Spices, masale, which mamas are using to make the food delicious. Number 7, delicious. Delicious means very very tasty, yummy. Number 8, add flavor. Number 9, dry fruits. Number 10, crushed, to obtain. Oil. Number 11, applying on hair. Applying on hair. Number 12, teak and sal. This is the kind of wood. Number 13, rubber texture. Rubber latex. Number 14, essential, zaruri. Number 15, breathing. सांस लेना, we are breathing through our lungs. So these are the new words of the chapter. Note down fast. Today we will complete the entire exercise. Today we will complete the entire exercise. New words. Word number 1, pledge. शपथ लेना, कसम खाना, survive, जीवन जीना, surrounding, आसपास, rich source, RICH, SOURCE, rich source, सबसे ज्यादा मिलता है, cereals, श्रृंखला, अनाजों की, spices, मसाले, delicious, delicious what I can, yummy, add flavor, अलग से चीजें खाने को स्वादिष्ट बनाने के लिए ऐड करना, dry foods, almond drops, cashew nut, pistachio, crush to obtain, बेटा all the oils like mustard and groundnut, these all are the oils. इसको क्रश किया जाता है तेल बनाने के लिए. Applying on hair, some oil like coconut oil we are using on our hair. Teak and salt, this is the kind of wood. Rubber, lactose, liquid material, essential, आवश्यक. Breathing, सांस लेना. Okay, so these are the new words: pledge, survive, surrounding, rich source, cereals, spices, delicious, add flavor, dry foods, crush to obtain oil, applying on hair. These all are the words. Okay, so I am going to rub the board and I am going to write the bookish exercise. We will do the exercise which is given in the book. Okay, you can pause the screen or otherwise you can take the screenshot and you can write later on. Okay, now it's time to solve the exercise which is given in the book. Right, so tick the correct option. Exercise number 1, tick the correct option. Number 1, tick the correct option. Okay, here I am going to write the chapter number. Okay, so let's see what are these. Number 1, we eat the roots of. Number 1, we eat the roots of. There are 3 options. Number 1, carrot, ginger and cabbage. So ginger is the part of the stem, carrot. Number 1, number A, carrot. Number B, ginger. And number C, cabbage. Right, so we eat the roots of carrot. We all are eating the roots of a plant in the form of food, and here option A is the right option. We all are eating carrot. We are not eating ginger because ginger is also the part of the food, and we all are eating in the form of food. But this is the part of stem. This is the part of the plant of stem, and cabbage is the leaf. So option number A is the right one, carrot. Let's see number 2. We eat the leaves of what? Option A, turnip. Option B, Spanish. and option C, sugar cane. All are the food. All are turnip we all are eating in the form of food, but this is the part of root. Spanish, palak. We all are eating Spanish in the form of leaves. So this answer B is the right one. Put the tick mark. Sugar cane is the stem of the plant. Number 3. We eat the stem of. We eat the stem of. Number A, broccoli. Number A, broccoli. Number B, pea. Number C, ginger. So we all are eating the part of the stem, but broccoli is a kind of green vegetable and this is cauliflower, green cauliflower, broccoli, right? And this is the part of flower. Pea, this is the part of seeds. बटला, इसके दाने का मटर के दाने खाते हैं. And ginger is the part of stem. Ginger is the part of stem. So option C is the right one. Put the tick mark. Let's see what is number 4. Which one is used to getting oil? Which one is used to getting oil? किन चीजों से ऑयल मिलता है? सो ऑप्शन ए कोकोनट, ऑप्शन बी टर्निप, एंड ऑप्शन सी cashew nut. So we all are getting oil from coconut. Option A is the right answer. Let's see number 5th. What is number 5th? Let's see. No, you cannot see number 5th. Downside. नीचे आपको number 5th दिखाई नहीं देगा, है ना? Because of the camera, that's why I am going to rub number 1 and I will write number 5 upside. That up is portion I am going to use. Okay, number 5th I am writing over here. Which of these are used, which of these are used in making sweets? Option A, spice. Masala to we are not using to make sweet dish. Option B, dry fruits. And option C, pulses. So dry foods is the right answer. Put the tick mark, right? So here we are completing tick the correct option. Number 1, we eat the roots of carrot is the right answer. Number 2, we eat the leaves of Spanish is the right answer. Number 3, we eat the stem of ginger. Ginger is the right answer. Number 4, one is used to getting oil. Coconut is the right answer. And which of these are used to making sweets? dry fruits. Okay. So here I am finishing. Take the correct option. Okay, and I am going to rub this. And we will do the next exercise. All right, so this wala part beta, this wala part I am giving you as a homework. This matching, these all are very easy for you. You can do it yourself. Find my partner, अपने मन से आपको करना है. Find my partner. This is homework. Exercise B. Spices, आपको perfume, cereals, oil, fiber, dry foods. So oil you will get from sunflower, cereals you get from wheat, oil you get from oil you get from almond drops, and fibers you get from cotton. And spices में इलायची, right? So number C, exercise number C, complete the sentences. Number 3 वाला, C वाला. Complete the sentences. Complete the sentences, right? So number 1, plants are a rich source of what? Plants are rich source of dash. What is the right answers? The right answer is plants are the rich source of food. Plants are the rich source of food. So I will write food over here. Number 2, we eat the fruits of dash and dash. So we all are eating the fruits of apple tree, and mango tree. Right? We eat the fruits of apple tree and mango tree. Number 3, we get coffee from this. Fill in the blanks. You have to write in the copy. आपको कॉपी में लिखना है coffee beans. We get coffee from coffee beans. Number 4, spices add what? So spices add flavor. Spices add flavor to our food. Spices add flavor to the food. मसालों से खाना स्वादिष्ट बनता है. That's why mama is adding extra spices, right? Number 5, rubber is obtained from the latex of rubber tree. जो रबर इज ऑब्टेन, रबर कहां से मिलता है? रबर, वी गेट रबर फ्रॉम द latex of rubber tree. RUBBER, रबर ट्री. यहां पर बहुत छोटा दिख रहा है रबर, RUBBER, रबर ट्री. Beta, sometimes I wrote and sometimes I pronounce also. F number 1 FOOD, food. Number second में APPLE, apple tree. Apple tree, mango tree, coffee bean, COFFEE, coffee, BEANS, beans. Spices add flavor, FLAVOUR. FLAVOUR, flavor. And rubber is obtained from latex of rubber tree. This वाला fill in the blanks you have to write in the copy. आपको कॉपी में लिखना है. Don't forget. Okay, take the screenshot and I am going to rub the board. And it's time to do the question and the answer of the chapter. Okay, answer these following question. Answer these questions. Right. Question number 1. How are spices useful? How are spices useful? It means what are the uses of spices? मसालों का क्या यूज होता है? आंसर नंबर 1. Spices make our food delicious. Okay, so your answer is spices are very useful. Right? Because make our food delicious. Full stop. Spices are very useful because it makes our food delicious. This word delicious is cutting in the camera. That's why I am going to write this word delicious over here. DELICIOUS. Delicious. Okay. Okay to you? Let's see question number 2. What are dry fruits used for? What are dry fruits used for? ड्राई फ्रूट्स का यूज कैसे होता है, किन चीजों के लिए होता है? सो योर आंसर नंबर 2 इज ड्राई फ्रूट्स आर यूज्ड टू मेक स्वीट्स. Dry fruits are used to make sweets and also eaten raw to get energy. So answer number 2, dry fruits are used to make sweets. Always when we all are making the sweets, mithaiyan, then we all are using dry fruits to make our food more delicious. We all are using dry fruits to garnish the food, and it can be eaten in raw form to get energy. Kaju, pista, badam, kishmish, cashew nuts, pistachio, almond drops, we all are eating in the raw also. Okay, now I am going to write question number 3. How is rubber obtained? What it is used? How is rubber obtained? How is rubber obtained? What is it used for? How is rubber obtained? रबर कैसे निकाला जाता है? What is it used for? और उसका इस्तेमाल कैसे और क्यों किया जाता है? आंसर नंबर 3. We get rubber is obtained from the latex of rubber tree. Right? It is used to make tire, shoes, balls and toy. Right? This is your answer number 3. How is rubber obtained? रबर कैसे मिलता है, what is it used for, और इसका इस्तेमाल कैसे किया जाता है. So rubber is obtained from the latex of rubber tree. It is used to make tires, shoes, balls and toys. Okay, question number 1. Once again I will read. How are the spices useful? मसाले useful क्यों है, कैसे है? Spices are very useful because it make our food delicious. Question number 2. What are dry fruits used for? Dry fruits का use कैसे किया जाता है? Dry fruits are used to make sweets and also eaten raw to get energy. Question number 3. How is rubber obtained? What is it used for? Rubber is obtained from the latex of rubber tree. It is used to make tires, shoes, balls and toys. Right, I am going to rub the question and answer. Take the screenshot, otherwise pause the screen. Only 2 questions and the answers are remain. Question number 4 and question number 5. All right, so question number 4. What is wood used for? What is wood used for? लकड़ी का इस्तेमाल कैसे किया जाता है? So answer number 4. The wood is used for making houses, boards, pencil, toys and furniture. Okay, so the wood is used for making houses. लकड़ी का इस्तेमाल घर बनाने के लिए making houses, boats, pencil, toys and furniture. 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 Okay. Question number 5. Last question. How does oxygen help us? How does oxygen help us? Oxygen means we all are breathing, right? Answer number 5. We get oxygen by breathing. We get oxygen by breathing. We get oxygen. When we are breathing through our nose, we are breathing oxygen. Right? In fresh air. And we remove carbon dioxide from the body by breathing out in still air. Right. So whatever we all are breathing oxygen through our nose by the nostrils in fresh air, and we remove carbon dioxide from the body by breathing out still air. carbondioxide, carbon dioxide, that is we all are removing. Okay, so here question number 4 and 5, what is wood used for? The wood is used for making houses, boats, pencil, toys and furniture. Question number 5, how does oxygen help us? We get oxygen by breathing in fresh air, and we remove carbon dioxide from the body by breathing out stale air. Take the screenshot, otherwise pause the screen. So here we are completing the chapter number 9, uses of plants. Right? And there are some exercises are given in the book. Little handwork. Solve the puzzle. This puzzle I am going to give you as a homework on page number 59. Right? And number B and C exercise. Number B exercise I will read out for you. You have to do at your home. Ask your mother and name of the spices she used in cooking. Write down the names of any 5 of them in spices provide below. So what are the spices your mama is using to make the vegetable delicious? You have to write down these 5 names, right? So here we are completing the chapter number 9, and we will meet in the next lecture. Then we will start chapter 10. So till then, bye bye, have a nice day.